This one, okay. Okay, we're done. Great, okay. Finally, I can actually relax for a moment. No! 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 Hey guys, the Epic Cuber Andrew over here, and today I bring you with great news. I just had my first video pass 1K views. And I would like to especially thank everyone for watching that. And anyways, let's get back to the topic of unboxing. Okay, so I got like 2 packages. So first of all, let's open this. And actually, I need a unboxing knife, so let me just get it. Okay, and okay, so I still don't have my unboxing knife, so let's try it again. Okay, there we go. I got my unboxing knife. Okay, so we got this box. I believe this box is for my GoPro and a SD card. So you guys still remember that video, right? I made where I bought that Samsung SD card. Turns out it's defective.
Hello darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you again.
And it kind of screwed me over and my birthday. But whatever. Okay, in the trash bin that goes. Anyways, I'm gonna open this SD card and put it into this camera, and it's still the Canon SL2. Okay, you guys can see it with the mic. Okay, let's open it. Did you guys hear that sound? Okay, I guess there's no sound after all. What is going on? What the heck is going on? I guess nothing happened. Oh, I almost forgot to tell you guys the specs of this SD card. So it is a 128GB SanDisk Extreme SD card, and it goes up to 16 megabytes write and 90 megabytes read, so should be really good for me. No problemo. Up to 4K, okay? Let's open it up. And just to show you guys, there's a place where you open it. There's like kind of a small part. There we go, and oh! So now I just changed to the new SD card, and let's continue this video. So I have this big box. You can see it's really big. So let's go onto the table and open this bin up. Oh, hey YouTube. So this isn't a weapon of mass. So just don't demonetize me, okay? Please. And we got this. Okay, let's open this up. So it's a gimbal stabilizer, as you can see. So let me try to get this out. Let's unbox it in a really epic way. guys, just assembled the gimbal, the Crane Plus, and I'm gonna figure out some of its features. So first of all, we have a mode button, and when it presses it, it kind of changes modes. So we got lock mode over here, so I can pretty much do anything I want, and the camera will stay the same. Let's press it again, and now it's kind of like a follow all mode, so whatever I do, it kind of follows it. And then we also have this, yeah, that's kind of like the pan only mode. Okay, there we go. Okay, and if I triple click the mode button, okay, so selfie mode, pretty good, pretty good. And you also have a bunch of other features, like the app, and there's also this kind of a zoom setting on here if you can see it. However, it isn't compatible with my camera, so, you know, it kind of sucks. But whatever, I'm gonna see if it's actually useful. So now using the gimbal, you can see that it's really smooth. So I can do a bunch of stuff. I can do like walk around, and you guys can see that it looks really, really smooth. Very, very smooth indeed. Very, very smooth, okay? Okay, however, I still kind of feel like I need to get used to how to use this gimbal to really like figure out how good it is. So I'm gonna like test it out on my next product to see how good this is. When you add on something, you have to rebalance it. So you can see if I take off my microphone, I need to rebalance it, and that's gonna take me quite some while. So kind of not really great, but I have to do it. Another thing about this gimbal that's more like a con is that it's kind of heavy. So it's like around 1 kilograms, and when you add up the Canon SL2, which is like 800 grams, plus my microphone on the top, and you guys can see, it's actually pretty heavy. It's like 2 kilograms, and I'm actually lifting it with one hand right now, and my hand is already sore, so I'm gonna use 2 hands. So anyways, that's pretty much all the gear I got for YouTube, and with this gimbal, I definitely can make better and more cinematic footage. And anyways, if you liked this video, hit the like button, and even consider subscribing if you're looking forward to learn some Rubik's Cube related content. And anyways, this is the Epicuber. Bye guys!